In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset the 3D cursor in Blender. Whether you're a beginner just getting started with Blender or an experienced user looking to streamline your workflow, resetting the 3D cursor is a fundamental skill you'll want to master. Let's dive right into the process. When you're working in Blender, the 3D cursor is an essential tool, serving as a point of reference for where new objects will appear and often used as a pivot point for rotating or scaling objects. You might find that your cursor is not where you need it, so knowing how to reset it quickly is crucial. One of the easiest and most efficient ways to reset the 3D cursor is by using the shortcut Shift+C. When you press this combination of keys, it quickly centers the 3D cursor to the world origin, which, in most cases, is exactly where you need it to be. This method is incredibly handy when you're in the flow of creation and need to move swiftly without breaking your rhythm. However, there are times when you might need more control over snapping options, and this is where the Snap menu comes into play. You can access this menu by pressing Shift+S on your keyboard. When you do, you will see a drop-down menu with several snapping options. Among these options is Cursor to World Origin. Selecting this option will also reset your 3D cursor directly to the world origin. This feature is particularly useful when working on more complex models where precise placement is required. The Snap menu offers additional capabilities you might find useful in different scenarios. For instance, you could choose to snap to specific vertices, edges, or even to the midpoint between two objects. These options give you greater flexibility and control over cursor placement, especially in intricate modeling situations. Whichever method you choose, knowing how to effectively reset your 3D cursor is a small yet powerful step in improving your overall workflow in Blender. It saves time and helps keep your project organized, ensuring your creations are aligned and positioned accurately. Also, it is crucial to remember that working with shortcuts like Shift+C not only speeds up your process, but also enhances your productivity by minimizing unnecessary breaks to navigate complex menus. Mastering these basics allows for a smoother experience and lets you focus more on your creative vision rather than spending time correcting misplaced objects or adjusting out-of-place models. Remember, as with any tool, practice makes perfect. Spend a few moments getting accustomed to these shortcuts, and soon it will become second nature. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more Blender tutorials. Until next time, keep blending creatively.